Here's how to change your age on TikTok. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your TikTok account. After that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and then tap on the settings and privacy. Tap on the account option here. After that, click on the account information. Here you will be able to view the option of date of birth. Change your date of birth. It will automatically change your age on TikTok. If you have recently changed your birthday on TikTok, then you will not be able to do this. As I have changed my birthday recently, so as you can see, it's showing me this message. So now you have to wait for a while to change it. So that's how to change age on TikTok.